Things that are made with real human hands are getting harder and harder to find. Traditional and handmade crafts are slowly dying out because they cannot compete with cheap, mass-produced goods that are made in China. If you stroll through the historic souks in Cairo, you have to really dig deep through the plastic keychains and the fake Chinese knockoffs to find anything made by local artisans. And traditional handicrafts are in decline around the world. Nobody wants to be an artisan when they grow up because it's so notoriously difficult to make a living at it. So what is the power of human-made things, and why bother preserving these crafts? And how is a bowl made with human hands any better than a bowl that comes off a factory assembly line? The power of human-made things lays in their creation. We as humans cannot create 100 perfect rugs in an hour like a machine can, but it's so much more powerful when we can create a single beautiful rug where previously there was only our hands, the loom, and the yarn. We aren't very impressed when a bulldozer lifts a rock, but when a weightlifter manages an incredibly heavy load, we adorn them with Olympic medals. And when humans push past their limitations to create, design, weld, sew, and paint human-made things, they are so much more impressive than their machine-churned counterparts. Human-made things are rarely perfect, but they're all the more valuable because they reflect our imperfections, our limitations, and our humanity right back at us. They're infused with bits of our personality and our unique way of seeing the world. And sometimes the process of creating these things with our hands is even more valuable than the actual finished product, because sometimes it really doesn't matter if whatever we make comes out right. The things we create so rarely match the image in our minds of what we hope to create. And what matters most is the process of creation, the feeling of making something with our own hands where previously there was nothing. It's our small and imperfect way of making our mark on this world.